Okay, so my mashed potatoes here, they are ready to be mashed up. I leave the skin on my potatoes. I like the extra nutrients in them. I just clean them well, and as long as they're good potatoes, best if you grow them yourself and you know they're fully organic and non GMO, which is what we got here. And they are done up very good. So I'm going to go ahead and pull them off the top of my cooker. You can see how good it looks. So I'm going to use my musher and add in the butter and all the good stuff. I just cooked these in straight bone broth, and we'll add in our salt and stuff at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking video today. If you guys like them, please give this video that thumbs up. Share our content with somebody who you think would enjoy our information and our videos. Thanks for being here. God bless. Have the most wonderful day. Bye.